Samsung's upcoming software update, One UI 8.5, could finally fix one of the most annoying issues every smartphone user faces: messy notifications. A new leak suggests that Samsung is testing a new feature inspired by Apple that aims to organize notifications in a smarter and cleaner way. If this leak turns out to be true, Galaxy users might soon have a much better experience managing alerts on their phones. Even though Samsung is reportedly facing some development issues with the Galaxy S26 lineup, its software team is clearly staying busy. The company continues to make progress with One UI updates, and version 8.5 looks like one of the most useful upgrades in years. According to leaks, One UI 8.5 will bring a new system that allows users to prioritize certain notifications so that important alerts always appear on top. Screenshots from a leaked build of One UI 8.5 show exactly how this new feature might work. Users will be able to mark certain apps or messages as high priority. Once marked, notifications from these apps will always show up above all others in the panel. The leak also mentioned that Galaxy AI will process these notifications locally on the device. This means your data stays private because it doesn't get sent to external servers. Samsung will also give users two ways to use this system. You can either manually choose which notifications you want to see first or let Galaxy AI decide automatically. The AI will learn from your habits and figure out which apps and messages you interact with the most. This balance between user control and automation could be a big help for people who get dozens of notifications every day and struggle to keep up. It's important to note that Samsung isn't the first to try this idea. Apple already introduced a similar system in iOS 18.4, where important notifications from selected apps or contacts stay pinned at the top. While Samsung seems to be following the same idea, it plans to improve it using Galaxy AI for more customization and local processing. So, while Apple started the trend, Samsung could take it further and make it even better for Android users. Another rumor says One UI 8.5 might bring a refreshed design inspired by something called Liquid Glass. This style focuses on smooth animations and a more fluid interface that looks modern and elegant. When combined with the new notification system, One UI 8.5 might offer both visual polish and practical improvements. The final version of One UI 8.5 is expected to launch with the Galaxy S26 lineup in early 2026. However, leaks suggest that beta testing could begin much earlier. Some reports hint that the Galaxy S25 series might get the first beta version as soon as November this year. That means some users will get an early look at the new notification system and other features before the Galaxy S26 is officially released. Everyone knows that too many notifications are one of the biggest frustrations of modern smartphone life. From social media updates to random app suggestions, the constant flood of alerts can be overwhelming. You can't just mute everything, because among all that noise are important messages you don't want to miss. Samsung's new system could finally make it easier to separate the important stuff from the clutter. The best part is that Galaxy AI will continue learning over time. It'll understand what's important to you and what can wait. So, your notification panel will become smarter the more you use your phone, helping you stay focused without missing anything critical. Samsung's focus with One UI 8.5 seems to be on making real, useful improvements instead of flashy changes. Borrowing an idea from Apple might sound unoriginal to some, but if Samsung can enhance it using its own AI technology, it could set a new standard for Android users. The truth is that no company has completely solved the notification problem yet. Both Android and iOS users struggle to manage endless alerts. But if Samsung's AI-powered prioritization works as promised, it could become one of the most appreciated features in years. Leaks and rumors about One UI 8.5 are still coming in, but one thing is clear. Samsung wants to make your phone smarter, more personal, and easier to use. The new features, combined with Galaxy AI improvements and a fresh design, could make this update one of the most polished and helpful versions of One UI yet.